Cancelled. Expected strong winds force Middlesbroughs Orange Pip Market to cancel. Orange Pip Market, which was set to be held in Middlesbrough Centre tomorrow, has been cancelled over safety concerns due to expected high winds. The structures the market requires, including stalls and the stage, cannot be put up in the conditions expected tomorrow. Middlesbrough Council has accepted the recommendations that it would be unsafe to go ahead with the October edition of the monthly event. A spokesman said, "It's devastating to have to cancel Orange Pip Market, but public safety and that of our stall holders and our performers and artists is paramount. Structures simply cannot be built in the forecasted conditions." The market will return as usual next month on Saturday, November 25th, and then again on Christmas Eve.